Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to open the watch battery cage on your DKNY Chronograph watch. Today's model is going to operate with a Seiko quartz movement that also uses the AG6 watch battery type. In order to open the watch battery cage, you are going to need a metallic pair of tweezers, something that you can find in the basic watchmaker toolkit, link in the description box below to all the tools that I use. What I'm going to do is to take the metallic pair of tweezers. You might have the one with the straight tips, or as you can see in my case, a little bit bent at the end. So what I'm going to do is to take one tip of the pair of tweezers and insert it right here in between these two plates right here, and I'm going to go at an angle. So I'm going to come from above and I'm going to try to push that metallic plate that you see at the bottom a little bit to the side, so towards the exterior, and at a certain point you will hear that snap, and also the watch battery is going to come off. That is how you open the watch battery cage. Then I'm going to use my non-metallic pair of tweezers in order to grab the battery, put it back in, and at the end what you want to do is to press it down. After you have positioned the new watch battery completely and correctly, I'm going to press it down and I can hear a small click, a small snap, and you will feel that the watch battery cage has closed. Make sure to take your time because you do not want to bend this metallic plate right here, or you do not want to break the plastic that holds that cage together. So this seems to be a very common mistake. Make sure to take your time. In case you apply too much pressure and it doesn't open up, make sure to stop and start from the beginning, because maybe you are doing something wrong. In case you want to watch the full guide with how to replace the watch battery, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below, so make sure to check it out guys. I'm pretty sure it is going to be useful, as well as the full guide with how to use the chronograph, so how to align the watch hands of the chronograph, how to correctly set the time and date, how to use the chronograph, and a bunch of other stuff. Link in the description box below. In case you want to watch even more videos just like this one, make sure to be subscribed, give it a thumbs up, it really helps the channel grow. Leave a comment, let me know if this video was helpful, and if you'd like to purchase pre-owned and vintage watches, make sure to check out our website vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale. Link in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching. I'm going to see you on the next video.